Ready? I'm gonna open this.
Okay, buddy.
I know what it is. You guys want to see?
You don't. No, we don't. Just open your
No,
present.
just
Come on,
what? Oh my gosh! A huge bedsheet! You know what I want? Huge bedsheet. I knew it.
Yeah, you're crazy.
That is sick! Oh my gosh, I love this! Can I come? Thank you, Daddy. Mommy.
You're welcome, buddy. Love you. And that's out.
Dude, this is sick. Thank you, you guys.
You're welcome.
This is awesome. Dude, that is sick. How much did you pay for this?
It was enough.
It's so cool. Now if I want to get a comfy bed set,
That's nice.
and we'll fill it. Fill it. Oh.
We don't use.
Like that. Look nice in your bedroom.
Dude, this is nice. Thank you.
And then we'll still help you pay for that iPod 5. We'll just see how much money you gather up.
Okay.
And we'll give you what we can.
Okay. Huh? What?
We love you.
Love you guys.
I wish I could jump in a time machine and go back in time. You're getting too old too quick.
This is so nice. This is nice. Look at this. This goes over the bed.
Oh, that is nice.
I'm gonna go put it on my bed right now.
I even tried to look for you a new pillow, but I couldn't freaking find the pillows, and my legs were going, so
I know.
I thought I'll just wait. He'll just use the pillow he has.